Hi guys, today in this video we're going to see what are classes in Python. So class in Python is like a blueprint to store objects. So to define a class, you can simply type class and the name of the class you want. For example, user. And you put a colon. So whatever functions we write are inside the class user. So there's an inbuilt function that is init. So to use it, we can type two underscores init and two more underscores, then open and close brackets. Now there's a self parameter which helps us to call the parameters inside this function. So we'll see that after some time. We can name a parameter like name and another one like age, then put a colon and define name and age. So self dot name is equal to name. Self dot age is equal to age. Now we create another function where we can use these parameters. For example, def person. Inside this bracket, we put self. So this is where we use this. Now you can name the self parameter anything you like, but it has to be the first parameter inside the init function. Now put a colon. Now we can say print my name is self dot name. Then my age is self dot age. Now we have to put the values in age and names. So to do that, we can define a variable person1 is equal to the class name, that is user, and then the two parameters. So the name will be in string. The age will be in integer. Age. Now we have to call the function person. So we say person1 dot person. Let's run this. There we go. We can also put a comma over here. Yeah. So this is how we use classes. We can also put many more parameters inside this, for example, username, password, and store a lot of more parameters for a lot of users. So this is one use of classes. There are many more uses of classes, which I will cover in other videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.